This is Julie Bancroft and I invite you to call or text me anytime at 541-680-1484. I look forward to working with you. Come see these views. Fenced and gate 1 level, 3 bedroom, 2 bath home with large family room. Updated vinyl windows and cedar decks. Interior need updating. Attached workshop with 200 volts. Barn with horse stall and room for equipment storage and animals. Fenced garden area with separate well for irrigation. Orchard with PL, cherry, apple, walnut, and pear trees. Domestic well with UV filtration. RV parking. Price to sell, cash buyers only please.